Greetings of the day. I would like to start today's talk by quoting one of the most famous quotes of Martin Luther King Jr. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. All of us are created unique and wonderful, with lots and lots of God given talents and potentials. Yet, not all reach the stars. It can be because a few have starting troubles. They need a strong force to push them forward. A few are scared of the results. A few are lazy. A few are always worried of what others think. A few have a bitter past or failure which pulls them back from trying. Let me share a real life story. I don't really know how many have heard about the Olympic gold medalist Mr. Karoli Takak of Hungary. Mr. Karoli was the top pistol shooter in his country, and the nation was expecting him to win the gold in the 1940 Olympic Games scheduled at Tokyo. This young gentleman lost his right arm while training with his army squad when a grenade exploded. This awful incident took off the expectation of the country to see this young man get the gold medal. Mr. Karoli had to spend a month in the hospital, and he was never a quitter, you see. He, instead of getting depressed at the loss of his right hand and the end of his Olympic dream, decided to learn how to shoot with his left hand. Instead of focusing on what he didn't have, he decided to focus on what he did have, a healthy left arm. After months of training to shoot with his left hand, Mr. Karoli showed up at the Hungarian National Pistol Shooting Championship in 1939 and won the competition. He continued his practice to win the Olympic in the 1940. But due to World War II, 1940 and 1944 Olympics were cancelled. His dream to get a gold medal pushed him further, and in 1948 he qualified for the London Olympics. At the age of 38, Karoli won the gold medal and set a new world record. 4 years later, Karoli won the gold medal again at the 1952 Olympics. Friends, don't you agree with me that Mr. Karoli had the right to feel sorry for himself, stay depressed, take up heavy drinking, quit on life altogether for the rest of his life? Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. If you want to achieve happiness in your life and feel good with yourself, you need to stop with the excuses and start doing instead. No matter how difficult they might seem at this moment, some things need to be done before it's too late. For those who have experienced failures and are shying away without trying because of fear, I request you to face your problem. Respond to them positively and refuse to give in to panic, bitterness, or self pity. The adversity that came along to bury you will have the potential to benefit and bless you, I promise. I'm closing my session for the day by quoting: failure isn't when you fall down, it's when you refuse to get up. Don't let your later become never. Keep moving, for it may well be that the greatest song has not yet been sung, the highest mountain has not yet been climbed. This is your challenge. Reach out and go for it. Bye bye.